Hi, I'm Rob Ellis with FIA Technical Services. I am here with Joe Ryan, and Joe is our pump technician, and we're in the pump shop, and Joe's about ready to put this pump together. And when I came down, Joe was trimming the impeller, and you didn't get to see that because it's really loud and noisy, and it's not that exciting. But we took an order for a design of a pump conditions, and then it's your responsibility to make that work. And what goes into that in this impeller?
Well, I get the production order. There'll be the diameter they want it trimmed down to. I do the math. I figure out how many cuts, put it on the lathe, and I cut it down to the specified size.
And and does the size of the motor impact the size of the impeller?
Yes.
And that's more on when they take that order
Yep.
inside than it
Yep.
is.
Whatever efficiency they need, things like that.
That's pretty cool. All right, so now you've got it trimmed. What's next in this assembly process?
Pretty simple with the base mounted pumps. We just the seal is already installed on these, so I just take a look at that, make sure it's um, installed properly. I'll line the key up with the impeller, slide it on, cap screw it on there, and then the next step would be to put it into the pump end volute, um, get it all bolted in, and then you move on to mounting the motor and aligning that.
And lining that up, and then you got the coupling that it's gonna go to. Are there different types of couplings that we can put on there from time to time?
Usually we just use the rubber couplings. I know in some cases there are the kind of like clamshell style couplings, but we tend to stay away from those.
Go with these
Yeah,
good steady
yeah.
thing.
A little bit of flex to them.
Uh, and here in the shop, it's that preliminary aligning you do with the straight edge.
Yeah.
But when we send it out, that's really when it gets lined up. Why don't we do a laser alignment really here?
Because it will probably just get knocked out of alignment either in transit or when it's getting installed onto the job site. We just get it as close as we can with the straight edge, and then our techs will go out in the field once it's installed and piped in and put the laser on it.
All right. Yeah. So we've got a trip planned to hang out with Mike, one of our service technicians, and watch him do the laser alignment out in the field. So I don't know if that's very exciting,
It's
but
very exciting.
is it super exciting? All right. So you get it lined up. You paint the motor,
Yep.
put your tag on it, and ship it out. Now, once we've shipped it out, there is some work out in the field. We want them to make sure that they're maintaining it properly. And what does this require for maintenance on this pump?
Basically, it's just keeping those motor bearings lubricated. You got two grease fittings on the front and back of the motor that you want to keep greased. We recommend you use Mobile One grease. And that's pretty much all there is to it.
And these are just a little dab. We don't want to get
Yeah.
super. It's not like when I grease my tractor and I just want to fill that thing up until the
No.
grease is
Yeah, you don't want
popping
to.
out.
Yeah, because dab will do you.
Definitely. All right. Well, Joe, thanks for walking us through this. Definitely
Anytime.
appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule of building pumps to talk about building a pump.
No problem.
All right. Thanks, man.